Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Roman B with Roman B Smelling Good. For those of you who do know, that is my YouTube channel. Um, for those of you watching on TikTok, love all my TikTokers, and I got a special one for you today. So I had placed an order some time back, and it arrived. These are a very hard to get fragrance right now. I was able to find them in the UK, I believe it was, and it just came in. So I cut this open to speed up time, but you can see, where did it come from? That's right, folks, Velixir. So let's see what I got. We'll move this over. And so, Galatea, in a 100 ml bottle. Apollo. Orion. And Uranus. Okay. Now, my buddy Steve at Redolescence, Steven, he brought some class to this name. And I think that's the way I'm going to do it. So instead of the obvious, he says Uranus. And so from this point on, with me, it is Uranus. Thank you, Steven, for bringing some class to the name. And there, that one is. Icarus. Poseidon. Himeros. Concordia. Oops. What the fuck? And Demeter. So if you're interested in finding out where I got these from, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll shoot the name to you guys. I ordered 9 fragrances. They all came in. They're all in good shape. And I'm pleasantly surprised. So I've been waiting to try to get these for quite some time. Finally got them. And I'm extremely excited to start giving these guys a whiff. So we'll do some smell goods in another video. And until then, remember, always smell like class. Never smell like ass. Catch you on the next one.